Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can download Audacity. So go to audacityteam.org. A link will be in pinned comment. After, click download Audacity. Then your downloading will start in 3 seconds. So wait for it. My internet speed sucks. Click to install file. Then choose your language. I'll choose English. Okay. Next, next, then next, install. After your downloading will be finished, then you will download Audacity. It's pretty simple. Subscribe and I will do tutorial about Audacity. Peace.